guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am April Sunny, and today I have taken on the rope braid. I've seen this a lot on Pinterest. I absolutely love it. I believe it is a great go-to dirty hair type of hairstyle because it still looks really put together, but you're doing it on way down dirty hair. What better way to do your hair than something slick, pulled back, and cute until you can wash that hair? So I did take it on today. In my opinion, it's like this is kind of shaky. I wouldn't say it's a complete fail, but I don't think I nailed it. You be the judge. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And let's get into this video. In this video, I am 10 weeks post relaxer. Yes, I straightened my hair, but it was for an event and I ended up getting a full body massage. During that massage, I ended up getting a head massage as well, and the young lady put so much oil in my hair, which is why it looks so nasty. But that's okay. I've chosen to take advantage of the situation and try out this hairstyle. Okay, so here I'm just establishing where I want my hair to set, and then even though I have pretty good length on my hair, I'm still going to add some clip-in hair extensions for not only a little bit more inches of hair, but also the thickness for my ponytail. As you can see, my very first clip-in is going to go right across the back there from ear to ear. I don't want the first clip-in right at my nape because that's where my ponytail is going to be, and I don't want to cause too much tension. I know someone is going to ask me about where I purchased my clip-ins. These clip-ins, I made them myself out of the hair that I used for my last sew-in. I don't recall the young lady's name at this very moment, but I will put it on the screen somewhere for you. So if you want to check her out, please do. The hair has been serving me quite well since I've had it. I am nearing the end of adding these clip-ins, but I do want to show you that the further up I go with these clip-ins, I am bringing them around the side. On the side where the part is, I start my clip-in behind my ear, and then I carry that all the way around to the other side. I will clip that in. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so now that I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and lightly brush my hair into place, make sure it is smooth. This has given me the fullness and the thickness that I was looking for, just what I was looking for. So that's all you need, about 3 or 4 pieces. Even though my hair is already weighed down from whatever oil she used to massage my head, I am still going to add coconut oil because it nourishes my hair and it makes it all cute and shiny, and it helps me smooth my hair into place. Okay, so I'm not quite ready to start the braid as of yet, but I do need the rest of this hair out of the way, so I'm going to use a silk or satin scrunchie just to tie it up and get it out of the way so I can work on my edges. So I have used so many different pomades, hair gel, black gel, any kind of gel, you name it, I've tried it. I don't like my hair being flaky. I don't like it to have residue. I don't like it looking oily. And Aloe Gel has been my go-to for my edges when I do lay my edges. I'm no edge connoisseur, honey, but this just gets the job done. Okay, once I have all brushed where I want it to be, I'm just going to put my scarf on and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, go do something else, and then I'll come back and start my braid. Okay, edge go completed. Let's move on to this braid. So I'm just going to go ahead and smooth my hair, make sure it is in place, make sure it looks the way I want it to look, you know? I'm going to hold that and then pull my hair back into a smooth ponytail, grab an Ouchless band, and tie my hair. Now, I'm not going to tie it so tight where it pulls my edges, my nape hair in the back, but I am going to tie it enough to where it's not going to come out. Now that that's complete, I'm going to take a portion of my ponytail, smooth it out, and then twist it around my finger, and then wrap it around my ponytail holder. And to hold this in place, I am going to be using a hairpin, not a bobby pin, a hairpin, because a hairpin is not going to cause as much tension, but it is going to hold my hair into place. Okay, after that, I'm going to split my ponytail into 2 halves. I'm going to take a small rubber band and put it on 1 half of my ponytail. And then split that in half and then flip it in itself 2 or 3 times. I think I did it twice. I think I tried 3 and 3 didn't work, so I just did it twice. Just like that. Now let's start our rope braid. So with the side that you flipped into itself, you're going to twist that and then pull the other side through, twist it again, and then pull the other side through, and then twist it again and pull the other side through. You're going to do that until you reach where the rubber band is. Take the 2 halves and then put another smaller rubber band on that to connect the 2 halves. I could have left my braid the way it was, but I ended up like pulling some of the hair just to make it look more full and fluffy. Right, now we got to take care of these raggedy ends. So I am going to put some heat on my hair. I sprayed it with heat protectant off camera, but I'm going to take this section by section and then just curl it all going in the same direction. Okay, so after I'm done curling the ends of my hair, I am going to go in with a comb and just kind of smooth all of the curls together so it's all one big curl going in the same direction. So that is it. Tell me what you think. Did I nail it? Or was it a fail? Comment down below. Let me know if you're going to try this. Again, I do think this is a cute work hairstyle. Going to the movie, grabbing a cocktail with your girlfriends type of hairstyle on a dirty hair day. I really like it. I like it. You know, it's a cute little, I pull my stuff together today type of girl. Again, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and be safe, you guys. And until the next time, be loved.